In this video, we will talk about standalone photovoltaic systems, off-grid PV systems. So stay until the end, because we will see how to create schematic diagrams for a standalone off-grid photovoltaic system and for a hybrid off-grid photovoltaic system. Specifically, these two systems consist of the following components. 1. The photovoltaic array. 2. The AC devices. 3. The charge controller. 4.
The battery.
5. The DC-AC inverter, responsible for converting direct current into alternating current. 6. The DC devices. And finally, 7. The generator set.
Soulios Consulting, Vasikis Soulios here. We help engineers increase their income by creating services related to energy and mechanical engineering. In general, we can say that photovoltaic systems are divided into two main categories: isolated systems and grid-connected systems. By the term grid, we mean the international, national, or local network for generating electricity from conventional sources. Isolated photovoltaic systems, or off-grid PV systems, are systems that produce electricity without being connected to the electrical power grid, and they are further classified into standalone and hybrid systems. In autonomous photovoltaic systems, the required electrical energy is provided exclusively by the photovoltaic modules and can be either direct current, DC, or alternating current, AC voltage. These systems are divided into two distinct categories: into autonomous photovoltaic systems without storage and autonomous photovoltaic systems with storage. Standalone photovoltaic systems without storage. As long as the photovoltaic array is receiving sunlight, the electrical energy it generates is delivered directly for consumption without being stored in batteries. When a photovoltaic system is without energy storage, it has a low cost, but it comes with three major disadvantages. It cannot operate during times of no solar irradiation. It offers no real energy autonomy, not even for a single day. And third, it must be equipped with an MPPT charge controller. These systems can be used for pumping water for crop irrigation, especially for crops that do not require the system to operate on a strict or regular schedule. Autonomous photovoltaic systems with storage. The generated electrical energy is used directly to power electrical devices, and any surplus is stored in batteries so that it can be used during the night or periods of cloudy weather. Such a system necessarily includes a battery charging controller and is designed to provide a certain number of days of autonomy. AC inverter. Such systems are used for street lighting, irrigation, archaeological sites, telecommunications repeaters, remote residences, etc. Finally, in this video, we will also talk about hybrid photovoltaic systems, and we will show a hybrid photovoltaic system for a vacation home. In hybrid photovoltaic systems, the production of electrical energy comes from the combination of the photovoltaic array with other auxiliary sources of electrical energy, which can be renewable, such as wind turbines, or even conventional electricity generating units. In most cases, the system includes provisions for storing electrical energy in batteries. Therefore, the hybrid system in this example of the vacation home must include an AC-DC voltage converter, which may be integrated into the inverter, as we showed earlier with the photovoltaic modules, as well as a charge controller batteries and a DC-AC inverter. This entire system is designed to supply power to which supplies the electrical loads of the house.
Conclusion. If you want to be the engineer who offers solutions and not just products, then specialization is the only way. So if you want to learn about other aspects of photovoltaics, about the minimum distance between panels, about partial shading of one panel or another, and everything else related to the entire study, then this is the only way to be able to offer solutions. And if you're interested in learning how to do it correctly and offer photovoltaic solutions step by step with real tools and simulations, then take a look at our free courses. You can find them at the link below this video.